Hi, I'm here with this 2015 Hyundai Sonata, and I'll be replacing the rear shocks on here. So the first thing I'll do is loosen and remove the lug nuts and the wheel and jack and support the vehicle. I have to jack it up in a way where I can lower the control arm down to get enough room to remove the shock. Okay, I have the jack stand here on the subframe, and I have my jack under the this control arm here. So I need to remove this bolt. It's a nut and bolt here. Hopefully it doesn't seize inside of the shock. But this takes 19mm and the nut. On the other side, right here, takes a 19mm. Then you have these two bolts here that take a 14mm socket, and then you just compress it, by hand, and you should be able to maneuver it out. Okay, here's with the lower bolt removed. The shock here. Now for the two up top. Okay, here are the two bolts that go up top removed. See, they're removed. Now I have to just push this down. I'm compressing the shock enough to maneuver it out of this hole. Now to install it the same way, you have to press it in and maneuver it into the position. Okay, here's the new shock in position. See from the bolt hole down here and up here. So I'm gonna put some anti-seize on all these bolts and screw it in, bolt it into place. Okay, this is the assembled shock mounted. For the bottom bolt, I started with jacking up, since I'm using this little jack here. I jack this side up, get the bolt started, and then move the jack toward the other side of the control arm and lift it up just a little in order to make it even, so you can slide the bolt in without hammering it in. And you just torque it down to specs, and then you install the wheel, and that's the job of replacing rear shocks on this is a 2015 Hyundai Sonata.